Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark Spider Guy here. Today's video I am going to be doing a rehousing of my pamphobeteus platyoma. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Right, so just put this down a bit so you can see what is going on. And as you can see, I've put the hide in already. Just going to put some substrate down the side and also down the side there. That's looking all good. She has got plenty of room for getting under there. Just flatten it down a bit under there. I want it being too soft for her for when she goes under. So that's that. Next thing I'm going to do, guys, is put some leaf litter in, which I do have here. There you go. So just scrunch some of that in. Got them sharp pieces in. So that's that leaf litter in. That's as much as I want to put in. Next thing I'm going to put in is some of this awesome moss. And if you do need moss, get in touch with Leah of Unusual Pets. She has some of the best moss, and she's the only one that I do get me moss off. So well worth getting in touch with her. And not only that, she does do a lot of stuff, whitewood, lichen, bat poo, yeah, a number of other things. And she also does livestock, roaches, spiders, you name it. So go check her out. Right, next thing we're going to do, now we put the moss in and put that in, is give it a spray. Like I say, it's always good to spray your moss. Try and keep it alive as long as you can. That's had a good spray in there. The next thing we're going to do for this little platyoma is we're going to get a water dish and put it in there, top it up for that. There you go. Now this little bugger again is under her hide, so we have got to remove her hide. Come on, sweet. Right. Now this one's not very big at the moment, but it's big enough to go in here. So what I want to do is try and move her around to here without spooking her too much. She still has got quite a bit of growing to do. Come on, you're going the right way. Come on. You know you want to. Look, that new hide is a lot better for you. Right. You go that way. There you go. Right, now go that way. Come on. Up. There you go. Come on. Come on, you little bugger. Oh. Move your leg then. There you go. See, now that wasn't so bad, was he? Hey? Sticking your bum up at me. Right. That's it, guys. That's the pamphobeteus platyoma. Now, I do need a lid. Right. I may have to sellotape these down because they're starting to come up, and at the moment I can't put any new ones on because I can't find the cartridges for my printer. So, even if I know what they are, don't matter if it's sellotaped. Right then, guys, that's that one. That's another video done. Right then, guys, that's another short video done. Please do subscribe, give it a like up there, give it a ding of the bell up there, and do subscribe down there. I will answer all comments, so if you want to leave a comment, good or bad, if it's bad, I'll just delete it. So there you go. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate you all. Take care.